Are you searching for best bicycle disc brake caliper? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best bicycle disc brake caliper in 2024. Number 1, XTECH e-bike electric folding bicycle MTB hydraulic disc brake, brand name, now ACT, type, hydraulic disc brake, use, cruisers, mountain bikes, material, aluminum alloy, suit for 12 or 14 inch, weight, 426 for front brake, 500G for rear brake, power off cable, 175 centimeters, length, 850 mm or 900 mm or 1050 mm or 1250 mm for front brake, 1700 mm or 1800 mm or 1850 mm or 2100 mm for rear brake. Suit for 140 mm or 160 mm disc rotors. Note, bike frame must have hole of disc brake, motor must have thread or have hole of disc brake. Number 2, Shimano mountain bike bicycle hydraulic disc brake, brand name, Shimano, model number, M7120/M8120/M420, braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad, Shimano XTECH M8120 M7120 M6120 MT424 piston mountain bike bicycle hydraulic disc brake for MTB bike downhill D03SN03AN04C. Number 3, Zoom HB875 bicycle hydraulic brake set, brand, Zoom, model, HB875, ownership, Taiwan, color, black, red, purple, silver, length 750 mm left front, 1350 mm right rear, braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad, Zoom HB875 bicycle hydraulic brake set mountain bikes brake 800 mm per 1400 mm MTB oil pressure brake caliper cycling parts MT200. Number 4, bicycle MTB hydraulic disc brake caliper, brand name, now ACT, type, hydraulic disc brake, use, BMX, cruisers, mountain bikes, road bicycles, material, aluminum alloy, suit for 12 or 14 inch, direction, type C or F or H brake, right handle lever control front brake, left handle lever control rear brake, type D or E or G brake, left handle lever control front brake, right handle lever control rear brake, weight, 426 for front brake, 500G for rear brake, power off cable, 175 centimeters. Number 5, XTECH HB100 hydraulic disc brake calipers, brand, Zoom, XTECH, property, Taiwan, China, model, HB100, color, black, red, blue, purple, rotor, deck is 160 mm/G3160/180 mm JDL 120/140 mm, category, hydraulic line pull disc brake, braking method, two-way hydraulic piston braking, description. HB100 uses a new hydraulic line pull clamp technology. What is it? Hydraulic line pull. HB100's block is equipped with built-in brake oil, and then the brake clamp is used to control the hydraulic clamp brake. The clamp cylinder is built into the brake oil. It is a common oil disc clamp that is common in the market. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.